Welcome, ielts writing task 1. Let us go from a blank page to a full band 9 answer, step by step. Here is the task. The graph and chart give information on the average daily maximum and minimum temperature in degrees Celsius, and the average number of days with rainfall each month, for two Australian cities, Brisbane and Canberra. We must summarize the information and make comparisons where relevant. First, know the job. In task 1 you summarize the main information and make comparisons where relevant. You do not give opinions or explain causes. Aim for at least 150 words in about 20 minutes, structured in 4 parts: an introduction, an overview, and 2 body paragraphs. Step 1. Read the visuals before writing a single word. There are 2 of them: a line graph showing temperature and a bar chart showing rainy days. The units are degrees Celsius and days per month, running from January to December. 2 cities are compared, Brisbane and Canberra, and the line graph has 4 lines, a maximum and a minimum for each city. Step 2. Find the temperature story. Both cities are hottest in summer, around December to February, and coldest in winter, around July. That is the southern hemisphere pattern. Brisbane is warmer than Canberra in every month. Canberra's minimum drops close to freezing, near 1 degree, while Brisbane's minimum stays above about 10 degrees, so Canberra has a far wider temperature range. Step 3. The rainfall story. Brisbane is wettest in summer, peaking near 14 rainy days, and driest in winter at about 7 days. Canberra is much flatter, roughly 7 to 10 days most months, and it is actually wettest in winter, near 10 days. That is the opposite of Brisbane. The 2 patterns are essentially mirror images. Step 4. Choose your overview. This is the most important paragraph for your score. Pick 2 big picture features. 1. Brisbane is warmer all year and has a smaller temperature range. 2. The cities have opposite rainfall seasons. Brisbane is wet in summer while Canberra is wet in winter. Remember, the overview states the main trends and contains no specific numbers. Here is the plan. Paragraph 1. The introduction paraphrases the task. Paragraph 2. The overview states the 2 key features with no data. Body 1 covers the temperature detail, maximum and minimum for both cities. Body 2 covers the contrasting rainfall patterns. Now let us write it. The introduction, the line graph, and bar chart illustrate the average daily maximum and minimum temperatures in degrees Celsius, together with the mean number of rainy days each month, for the 2 Australian cities of Brisbane and Canberra. Notice that this is one sentence that simply rephrases the question. The overview. Overall, Brisbane is warmer than Canberra throughout the year and has a noticeably smaller temperature range. The 2 cities also show opposite rainfall patterns. Brisbane is wettest in summer, whereas Canberra records most of its rainy days in winter. 2 clear features and no numbers. Body 1. Temperature. Both cities are hottest between December and February and coldest around July, in line with the southern hemisphere seasons. In Brisbane, maximum temperatures range from a summer peak of roughly 30 degrees down to about 21 degrees in winter, while its minimums stay mild, at or above 10 degrees all year. Canberra is considerably cooler. Its maximums fall from around 27 degrees to just 11 degrees in July, and its minimums drop close to freezing, reaching about 1 degree. Canberra therefore has a far wider temperature range than the milder Brisbane. Body 2. Rainfall. The rainfall data reveal a clear contrast. Brisbane has the most rainy days in summer, peaking at about 14 days in February and March, before this figure declines to a steady 7 days per month from June to September. Canberra shows the reverse trend. Its rainy days stay fairly constant, generally between 7 and 10, but it is at its wettest in winter, reaching around 10 days from June to August. In short, the wettest season in one city is the driest in the other. Why does this score highly? Look at the language. Clear comparisons, such as warmer than, a far wider range than, and the reverse trend. Strong trend verbs, such as range from, peak at, and decline to. Careful hedging with roughly, about, and close to. And smooth cohesion with words like whereas and therefore. Notice there is no conclusion. In task 1, the overview already does that job, and that is a complete task 1 answer, from brainstorm to finished writing. To be clear and honest, Band 9 here reflects an internal assessment of writing quality against the public ielts band descriptors. It is not a certified examiner score. Practice the 4-paragraph structure, and good luck with your exam.